Good evening. Now, NBA player LeBron James recently opened a school for at-risk youth in his hometown of Akron, Ohio, called the I Promise School. The school, which provides for 240 at-risk children in Ohio, offers a support circle for students after lunch, GED courses and job placement for parents, breakfast, lunch and snacks for students, and bicycles for every single student. Surprisingly though, the initiative, which on the face of it seems like a masterstroke by a mega sports star, has attracted quite a bit of controversy, with a recent story highlighting the fact that the school will actually cost taxpayers more, with James actually not bearing the brunt of the cost. I think even the thought of criticizing the move by James should be summarily dismissed. LBJ has once again shown that he is a larger-than-life figure who transcends sport and will not just shut up and dribble, as was once suggested by one media personality. What did, however, give me reason for pause is a statement made by James himself when being interviewed by the CNN.
I don't even know if I would have this school if I didn't have the trials and tribulations that I had when I was a kid and the upbringing that I had. So, it just let me know when I was younger and when I got older, if I ever had the means or if I ever became successful or anything, I want to be able to give back.
Now, that was actually James actually admitting that if he had all these amenities his school is providing, he probably wouldn't be as great as he is today. It's sort of paradoxical, but how could you criticize such a great gesture by someone who knows what it's like to fight through adversity? I guess you just can't. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.